All right, guys, here we go. Taking a quick look at natural gas, where we've been, where we're going. Well, this is a daily chart, and we're looking at the futures, of course. And overnight trading has already started. And Friday, we had kind of an inside bar here, green candle close. Well, of course, we had several other green candles, and doesn't really mean anything unless you get follow through. We did today, and it closed pretty good, cleared out one, two, three candles there. So let's go to the hourly. And then on the hourly chart here, each candle is 1 hour price action. We have this fry pan bottom, and what we do, a lot of guys will measure it from the bottom of the fry pan there. I like to be a little bit more conservative, so from that low pivot to the breakout was about 6%, over 6%. And then right here, we did the breakout on this green candle. Of course, price came back in, kind of the scene of the crime, retested that area, then here we are. So we're expecting, if we can get over the 200 on the hourly, that's kind of the secret right there. We could eventually run up, to 270. All right, but we need to clear that 200, and maybe in the interim we could just kind of, trade sideways here, build a base, build a bottom, and then continue to the upside. And then a little bit, of that is going to be contingent, of course, on the dollar DXY right up here. How it trades overnight to see what, the morning looks like. So that's our anticipated goal there. And then Boyle, a lot of people playing Boyle. Okay, so we had a kind of a resistance zone up here. As you can see, that red dash line, we broke this downtrend line, got over the 20, and then, of course, the last number of these hourly candles have been doing pretty well. But to show you how we played it all day long is that we first played as the breakout this morning. As you can see on Twitter, timestamps don't lie. Okay. Uh, we played to the long side. And then over here, you can see we said it was going to be short lived. And that was mainly because of the US dollar index getting a little bit of a pump there. And then, of course, we went short, and that was a result of the short zone. We had the high pivot, had the exact location where the highest odds, highest probability for that short would be. So that's how we were able to do that. And if you're interested in, trading these, futures markets, whether it's gold, silver, copper, natural gas here, UNG, Boyle, whatever it may be, check out our introduction micro features, in the description below, 50% off. We can get you up and going on that. Great opportunities because these things move real quickly. And as you can see here, post market for tomorrow, we'll see if this holds overnight. Of course, all this, I've been preaching about is contingent upon how well the dollar does, either to the upside or downside overnight, and then we will calculate that and possibly go in. And then UNG, I just love playing that. It's more of a pure play, on natural gas. And tomorrow, if we get a nice, again, contingent on the DXY, get a nice breakout here, we're expecting price to, high odds, high probability would come up, over the next couple of days, possibly into $10, or just shy of that, which would be a nice little run here on natural gas using UNG, to the long side. But as you can see, we like playing these markets either way, to the upside, to the downside. Add that together. That's your profit for the day, and then roll that into, something tangible. But okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. Give us a follow on Twitter, and we will see you on the charts.